So Jubla Masuta Maning, aka Jubster Buffett, is back to prison, man. Shit, bruh. So allegedly, this is what happened, bro. So allegedly, an Uber driver was dropping off a female at Jub's house in Edenvale, but obviously he never knew that was Jub's house, right? So they pull up, and then they get there, and then all of a sudden, boom, Jub comes out of the house with a gun and start accusing the Uber driver of cheating with his girlfriend, the girl that's currently in the car, bro. The girl that this guy was bringing, dude. So Jub has been charged with possession of firearm and kidnapping. Imagine, by kidnapping, because he held that guy hostage. Like, that guy couldn't leave. Jub had him at gunpoint. So allegedly, this guy eventually he ran away. The Uber driver ran away, and Jub shot at him, man. So that's gonna count as something else, bro. I think that's attempted murder, man, because he shot at the guy. He didn't just hold the guy hostage. He actually shot at that guy. But man, you feel me? The Uber driver survived. He was able to run to a nearby police station, and the cops swiftly moved. Man, they arrested Jup same time. So he'll be appearing in court, man, today on the 15th. Yeah.
We can confirm that we have arrested a 45-year-old male suspect on 3 charges. The first one being that of discharging of a firearm in a municipal area. The second charge being that of kidnapping, and the third being that of defeating the ends of justice. According to a preliminary investigation by the police, there was an altercation between him and an Uber driver, which led to this particular suspect firing a shot in the municipal area. We can confirm that our ballistics experts and our detectives are on the ground where they are investigating this particular incident. The suspect has been arrested, and he will appear before the Germiston Magistrate Court on Monday morning, where he will face the 3 charges. And I think further details on this particular case will then be elaborated further in court.
Please leave a subscription, as it's highly valued, man. You feel me? For the channel to go, man. Catch you on another one. It's your boy Twadi. I'm out.